Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Jace, and for a returning subscriber, karibu sana, and thank you so much for tuning in to this amazing channel. If you have not subscribed, please hit that subscription button and hit that notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will be notified. So on today's video, I'm going to show you what we are doing. So I undid my hair and nikasonga hizi 4 matutas, so don't mind me, I have one earring, one got lost. So I undid my hair and I noticed that my scalp is so dry and so itchy, so I want to show you something that is going to help me from stop scratching my hair and my scalp as well, and something that will moisturize my scalp. So let me show you. So over here I have fresh aloe vera, whatever it is that you call it, fresh aloe vera gel from the shamba. Nimezikata and then I have peeled them, so I'm remaining with this gel. Can you see the white gel? So that is what we are going to use. So the healthy benefit of aloe vera gel is that it stops your scalp from itching, and it moisturizes your hair, and it helps to promote a healthy scalp, and it also helps with those ones who feel like their hair is dry, or their scalp or their hair is being damaged, yani inaanguka anguka. So when you're combing your hair and it is falling down, so aloe vera gel is so rich in promoting a healthy hair, a healthy scalp, and it will also help me not to scratch my head. So let's start by undoing. So we are going to undo my hair first, and then we are going to apply. So I'm starting, first of all, I'm starting with this one because I can't apply kwa yote, so I'll be doing one by one. So that is it, and then we go in with this. So we are going to start here on the scalp kabisa. You scrub, you make sure that the gel is coming out, and then you continue on with the hair. If you feel that it is not coming out, you can press it, long press it, and it is going to produce the water. As you can see, this one, it is coming out. So you apply directly to your hair like this. When it is not coming out, make sure that you are long pressing it. So when it is done, you go to another piece, and then you do the same. Make sure that you are applying very well. You see that it is coming out, the gel itself is coming out. I don't want to use the term mucus and it's not good. So make sure that you apply well. That is why we are subdividing our hair, so that we can do it very well and thoroughly. So aloe vera is also medicine. You can see some people taking it for their stomach, their tummy. When their tummy is aching, they do take them, especially the Maasai people. And then you can also give them to your chicken and the cuckoos, the chicken, yeah, when they are not healthy. So you can give them, and it's very good. Another thing, you can also apply it on your face. For I don't know the reason why we apply on our face, but it is very good, especially when you have acne. You can apply, and it is also going to help. So when you're done there, you can see my hair is very wet, and my scalp nimeipaka vizuri kabisa. So and then you're going to take your comb, and then you comb your hair gently. You comb your hair gently. It is so soft. When you're combing, it is so soft. It is producing this. It looks like oil. You see my hand? It looks like oil. It's oily. So that's why I'm telling you it's moisturizing your hair. It acts like conditioner, hair conditioner. The way you can apply your conditioner, hair conditioner on your hair, and then you comb it and it's coming out very well. It's not giving you hard time when you are detangling. So that is what aloe vera gel does. So if you feel a part that does not have the gel, you can reapply. Yeah, so keep combing your hair. It's not giving me hard time. So when you're done with the first part, you can plait it or twist, whatever it is that you want to do. So on to the next. I'm using this pen lid to undo my hair at this part because it is so nikakonde sana. I don't want to kuharibu pen because I wanted to use my pen, but I don't want to use my pen. So we repeat the same. So I'm going to apply. So guys, I'm done applying the aloe vera gel on my hair, and as you can see, the hair is so shiny. It's shining. If you compare the when I was starting the video and now, you will even tell the hair is so shiny. It looks healthy, and so nime twist nne the subdivision venye tu nilikuwa nimedivide. So you can leave this to stay maybe for 1 hour, and then you wash your hair and then blow dry your hair, or you can even put on your turban and sleep with it the whole night, and then you wash your hair the next morning. So it is for you to decide, but for me, I'm going to sleep with it because I was feeling that my scalp is so dry and it's so itchy. Because nilikuwa nimesongwa braids and nilikuwa najikuna. As you can see, I'm still ninasikia bado kujikuna kuna because the aloe vera gel inaguza where the places that was itchy. So I'm going to nifunge kitambaa and then I'm going to sleep with it, and then I'm going to wash the hair tomorrow. So okay, for context, the reason why I do not like blending my aloe vera gel is because when you blend, you're required to add some water because the blender haiwezi blend without water. For me, I like using it just as natural as it is, fresh from the shamba, and yeah, that's it. So I'm so happy. A girl is so happy. So if you have a problem of maybe dry hair, itchy scalp, irritating scalp, you can just buy aloe vera, or try and find somewhere where there is aloe vera, and then you apply, and then you will like it. For me, I like it. So I love my hair like this. It looks so shiny. Wow, inakaa ni kama it has been applied sijui oil gani. You see those castor oil, those whatever, it looks so good. and it gives the hair curls also. Let me try and show you. So your hair will remain curly. So if you like this, your hair will remain curly when you apply the aloe vera gel. So imagine I was going somewhere, maybe for a walk, and then I do like this. I go like that. So people will be asking me, which oil are you using? And then I'm telling them, fresh aloe vera from the shamba. Yeah, so that's it. So it looks like this. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please comment in the comment section down below and tell me what you think about this aloe vera gel. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until my next one, it is bye bye.